What do you do with a overabundance of tomatoes from your garden? Why? You roast them and make spaghetti sauce. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So we have taken the tomatoes and we've sliced them in half, in some cases quartered them. Now I'm going to take a little olive oil and I'm going to, let me back up for a moment. We also have, in addition to the tomatoes, some onions and a whole a whole head of garlic with the skins on. And I'm going to drizzle olive oil on everything. Then I'm going to take some kosher salt, sprinkle on top of everything. And next I'm going to take some dried basil and sprinkle on top. Okay, this is going to go into my oven for 35 to 40 minutes on 400. And then when they have roasted, we'll come back and I'll show you the next step. Okay, we're back and we have roasted all of the vegetables. And now I'm going to put them in my blender and blend them up and then pour them into my cast iron pot here and let them simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. With the garlic, I roasted them with their skins on, and now I'm just peeling the skin back and squeezing out the garlic. Okay, we've got this pan in, and now we're going to go ahead and do the blending. Okay, and this is what the first pan looks like. And as I said, we're going to go ahead and pour it into my roasting pan, or cast iron pan rather. Okay, and now we're going to do the second batch. And the last piece of garlic. Okay, I'm gonna put this on a simmer heat until it gets to until it gets to a boil, and then I'm gonna turn it down on a simmer and let it go for 30 to 45 minutes. So it's been about 25 minutes or so, and the sauce is where I want it to be. So we're going to go ahead and ladle it into some pint jars and seal them up, and then put it in a water bath. So the jars are hot, and I'm going to fill it up to the 1/4 line in each jar. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, so we're back. We had enough sauce for 3 pint jars, and 1 jar, 1/2 jar that I'm just going to let cool and sit in the refrigerator and we'll use immediately. What I'm doing now is wiping off the rims of the jar. Then I'm going to take our caps and put them on top. Just hand tighten. Oops, I forgot a major step. Let's take these back off. Forgot to add the lemon juice. The lemon juice is important because it helps to prevent botulism. And if you're going to be canning tomatoes like this, it is necessary. You have to acidify the spaghetti sauce. Otherwise, long-term sitting will cause you to get sick. Okay, we're going to put a tablespoon of the lemon juice in each jar. Okay, now we're going to cap them. Now, this one, we're just going to let cool by itself and then sit it in the refrigerator. We'll use sometime this week. These three will go back into the water bath. Okay, they are fully covered, meaning that the lids are submerged in the water. And we're going to set the timer for 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and take them out. So I just took them out of the water bath, and just before coming on to the camera, one popped, which is a good thing. So I'm gonna leave them sitting there until they pop, the other two pop, and they cool off, and then we'll put them away. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we went ahead and made pasta sauce. I have several other bags of tomatoes in my freezer that I will probably take out and let thaw and then make sauce with them also. And we still have plants thriving outside. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I will respond. The recipe that I use is not mine, so feel free to use it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food for myself and my family, but I cannot grow a channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.